Open the XP Pen official website. Select Drivers. Choose Product Model. Download the driver for your Mac system. Run the installation package and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Open the driver software. Set up your display. Screen calibration. Use Stylus in the usual drawing grip and click the center of the red cross that appears on the display. Click on the touch icon to enter the touch settings. Click on Touch Area to set the active touch area. In default mode, the entire touch area is active. The custom mode. Touch area works only outside of the customized area. Click on Basic Gestures to learn the basic touch gesture operations. Click on Advanced Gestures to customize gesture operations. Touch buttons. The left touch button brings up the floating menu by default, and the right touch button brings up the virtual tablet by default. If adjustments are needed, you can click on the corresponding positions of the left and right touch buttons to customize the shortcut keys to execute other functions or programs. The virtual tablet mode is suitable for multi-screen extended mode. Before use, please select Extended Mode in your system display settings. Once enabled, multiple monitors will be recognized as a single, continuous canvas, and the drawing tablet can be used as a cross-screen control area. Use the stylus to hold down a window or file and drag to quickly move content to the target monitor. To operate a specific monitor, move the cursor to the corresponding monitor area and directly click, drag, or manage the content on that screen. Click on the floating menu. Click Show to display the floating menu on your desktop. Click the button to access advanced settings. Click Other to switch to other shortcuts provided by the system. Click Execute Program, then click Browse, and you can select the corresponding program. Working Area. This helps you define the mapping relationship between the device's working area and the screen display area. Screen. You can set the mapping relationship between the current display area of your monitor and the device here. The driver offers the following two ways to set the mapping area of the display. 1. Set full screen, the whole area of the selected monitor. 2. Customize screen area. The driver offers the following two ways to set the mapping area of the display. Dragging and selecting area. Move the cursor from one point to another on the screen icon. After clicking, click the desired top left and bottom right positions on the monitor. Coordinates. Input the coordinates in the corresponding input boxes next to X, Y, W, and H. 3. Screen identification. Identify all connected displays. The driver provides the following methods for setting the device's working area. Full handwriting area. The entire working area of the device. Customize active area. Drag and drop. Selection area. Drag the cursor from one point to another on the device icon. After clicking, use the stylus to click on the desired top left and bottom right positions within the device's working area. Coordinates. Enter the coordinates in the corresponding input boxes next to X, Y, W, and H. Screen ratio. Make the device's working area the same ratio as the entire display area of the selected display. Rotation. Rotate the device clockwise by 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees for use. Display settings. Brightness and contrast. Drag the corresponding slider to adjust the brightness or contrast of the device. Color space. This product is preset with sRGB, Adobe RGB, and Display P3 modes. These modes have completed color gamut compression and have been calibrated, so you don't need to perform ICC compression again. If you want to manually configure ICC, you can select the user mode in the display settings option under the driver interface and configure it in the native color. In the user mode, you can customize the color space by adjusting the color temperature. When selecting user mode in the color temperature, you can adjust the values of R, G, and B. The direction and intensity of the color can be further controlled by adjusting hue, saturation, and value. Stylus switching. You can select the corresponding stylus by clicking the drop-down menu under the pen name on the right. When you use the corresponding stylus, the driver will automatically switch to the custom settings of that pen. Pen button. Click the pen button position on the screen to customize its function. Applications. The driver supports setting different functions for different applications. Customize the function of the Stylus button under this application. Pressure sensitivity adjustment. Adjust the pen pressure curve or select the preset pressure sensitivity option.